Okay, here is a video about Dish Network. The only way Dish Network will receive stereo if you use an HDMI cable that looks like this, which is this connector right here. And that's the type of connection that is the only way Dish Network will receive stereo. And and also don't and if you are a subscriber to Charter Spectrum, you use a RG59 or RG6 cable on the RF out connector on the Spectrum receiver that says out to TV. That's the only way you can receive stereo on analog. If you press, like for example, if you press the MTS button, you'll see MTS stereo. But Dish Network, you must use HDMI cable. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.